Hi guys, I'm Nitesh Gupta. I'm an IT professional. I'm working in IT industry from last 11 years. On this channel, we talk about the tips and trick of how you can take care of your plants, house plants, and what plant you need to buy, what you need to do throughout the year with them to take care of them. If you are looking for these kind of videos, then consider subscribing our channel. In this particular video, we are going to talk about one of the very beautiful plant what we have on our terrace. The name of the plant is Aglaonema Butterfly. Aglaonema comes up with a lot of variety. The variety what we are showing you in this video is the butterfly one. It purifies the air also to some extent. We are going to discuss what we need to do to take care of the plant throughout the year. Let's get started. First factor we are going to talk about is the sunlight. If you have observed where we have placed this plant on our terrace, we have placed it in a shady area. If you are going to offer a plant full sun for an hour or two, you will see the leaf burning in the plant and the plant will eventually die. So where you can place this plant in your home, you can place it anywhere, wherever you are not getting the direct sunlight. Just keep this thing in mind that the plant loves the bright light, just don't give it the direct sunlight. Second factor we are going to talk about is the water requirement. This plant loves water and humidity around, but that doesn't mean that you are going to water it every day. You only need to water the plant when you see that the soil is completely dried out. Third thing we are going to talk about the pesticide. So this plant is with us for last 1 year and we have not seen any kind of pest or aphid attack on the plant. So we are not using any kind of pesticide, organic or inorganic, on the plant. Fourth factor we are going to talk about is the fertilizer. When you will be fertilizing this plant. So you are going to fertilize this plant once in a year in the month of March. To fertilize this plant, what you need to do is that you need to add 10 granules of DAP and 1 small spoon of bone meal. In case if you do not have the DAP or the bone meal, the other option you are having is to add the organic fertilizer. If you are adding the organic fertilizer, then you only need to add the organic fertilizer 50 grams, and in organic fertilizer you can select the Manure, Compost or Vermicompost, whatever you have. Lastly, we are going to talk about the cost of the Aglaonema plant. The plant what we are showing you in this video is Aglaonema Butterfly. This will cost you to 300 to 400 rupees in the nursery. Aglaonema comes up with a lot of variety and started from 250 rupees, and depending upon the variety you are going to take, it goes till 1000 rupees. My suggestion to all of you is that if you are looking for a plant to start gardening with on your terrace or on your balcony, you have a very small space where you are not getting the direct sunlight and you are thinking about what plant to buy, then this is the plant which you should start with. I totally understand that this is in little expensive side, but the brighter side of the plant is that it is very very low maintenance plant. You only need to fertilize it once in a year, and you only need to water it once in 2 days. And it also purifies the air to some extent. If you are interested in watching a video of how to propagate Aglaonema plant, then that video is already up and that is there in our other channel which is in Hindi. If you are interested, then that video link will be coming up in the I button and you can also check that out in the description. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanking you for your time. Bye.